Welcome to the fifth vlog where we came across one of the best places in Dubai, Global Village. So in today's video, we'll be going around a lot of people from different nations, showcasing our talent in Global Village. And yeah, I've captured a lot of beautiful moments in this vlog, so stay tuned till the end and don't forget to subscribe. So first, I met a group of Indian people where I explained them the challenge, and the challenge was if I could solve the cube under 30 seconds, they would have to subscribe to my channel. It looked a very easy challenge for me until I realized that this is my main cube which I always use, and this is my old cube. So basically I took this cube which does not work really well and isn't so smooth to turn really fast. It could break any time. So for me it was very hard to solve under 30 seconds. And the good thing here is I managed to solve the cube under 30 seconds and everybody was impressed. And finally the challenge was done. Everybody did subscribe to my channel. Moving on, I met some Arabs. I gave them the same challenge and did the solve in front of them. They were so happy and impressed that they gave me another scramble just to see me solve again. And I did the solve very easily. Moving on, now it's time for the best moment of the vlog, and you will know why in a few minutes.
30. I'm gonna subscribe. How should I know?
He told his friend about me, and his friend gave me a scramble.
Why save Cuba? 59. 55. 35. Choose. Let's choose. Let's go. You're welcome. This is a gift.
Thank you.
See you, brother. Nice to meet you.
So if you are visiting Global Village, don't forget to visit Anatolia. Moving on to the next one. So in the search of people, I found this guy, and when I gave him the challenge, he pulled out his phone to put the timer. And after me solving the cube in 28 seconds, he wasn't impressed. He thought it was too slow to be impressed, and still he did subscribe to my channel. Then I met this guy. Even after all of his friends leaving, he was still standing there just to see me solve the cube. After I did the solve, he appreciated and supported me by subscribing to my channel. And you can do it so by subscribing to my channel and help me reach to my goal of 1000 subscribers. Moving on, I met this group of Arabs. One of them gave me a very hard scramble, and now it was a tough challenge to solve it under 30 seconds.
1 minute only?
In 1 minute?
Martin, 60 seconds.
Less than 1 minute.
ها؟
Less than 1
أقل عن دقيقة.
اوكي. صعب يوم كلنا.
It's all the same calories.
السرعة حتى بتاع الثانية. افتحها شي هون.
زين. عندك تايمر؟
يلا هذا تمام يلا. ويت. يلا.
على يجوها لا يجوها.
هاي 1 2 3.
كم؟ يلا we will start. This one?
Yeah, no.
Okay. We will do all, huh? ما شاء الله. Good job.
Then I met this group of Indian people, where one of them gave me a scramble and the other one set up a timer for me. And easily I solved the cube. After I solved the cube, they all appreciated me and also they did subscribe to my channel. And then we went to some other places. And we also went to this crazy show. With this, it's the end of the vlog. Eid Mubarak to all of you guys. See you in the next video. Till then, Q. After I did the solve, he appreciated me and supported me by subscribing to the channel. And you also can support me by subscribing to my channel to hit me. To hit me.